Airband Full Review: Features, Strengths, Weaknesses. Welcome to our comprehensive review of Airband. For your convenience, we've included links to their products in the description below. Features. Airband is a UK-based internet service provider specializing in delivering broadband to rural and hard-to-reach areas. They offer two primary types of services: fiber to the premises, FTTP, and fixed wireless access, FWA. Their FTTP packages range from 150 Mbit to 900 Mbit, providing ultra-fast and symmetrical upload and download speeds. For locations where FTTP isn't feasible, Airband's FWA delivers speeds up to 400 Mbit by installing an external receiver on the property to connect wirelessly to their network. All packages include unlimited usage and a Wi-Fi 6 mesh router to ensure robust in-home connectivity. Strengths. Airband's primary strength lies in its commitment to connecting underserved rural communities, offering high-speed internet options where traditional providers may not reach. Their flexible service plans cater to various user needs, from basic browsing to heavy streaming and gaming. The inclusion of advanced Wi-Fi 6 mesh routers enhances in-home coverage, reducing dead zones and improving the overall user experience. Additionally, Airband's pricing structure is competitive, with introductory offers that make their services accessible to a broad range of customers. Weaknesses. Despite its advantages, Airband faces certain challenges. Their coverage is limited to specific regions, including parts of Devon, Cheshire, Gloucestershire, Herefordshire, Oxfordshire, Shropshire, Somerset, Wales, Warwickshire, and Worcestershire, which may exclude potential customers outside these areas. Some users have reported service interruptions and inconsistent speeds, particularly with the fixed wireless access service, which can be affected by environmental factors and network congestion. Customer support experiences appear mixed, with some customers praising responsiveness, while others report delays in issue resolution. Conclusion. Airband provides a valuable service by delivering high-speed internet to rural areas often neglected by larger providers. Their range of FTTP and FWA packages, coupled with modern equipment and competitive pricing, makes them a compelling choice for eligible customers. However, potential subscribers should assess service availability in their area and consider reported variability in service performance and customer support when making their decision.